After 60, your body changes. You lose muscle, bones get weaker, and some foods hit harder. But these 7 fruits, they fight back. Doctors recommend them for energy, joints, and memory. Number 3 even helps you sleep. Stay to the end for the number 1 fruit most seniors skip. Let's start. If you're new here, this is where we break down health info in plain English, no fluff. Today, fruits that actually help after 60, not medical advice. Always check with your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you take medication. First fruit coming up. Blueberries, small but strong. They're packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. Those give them the blue color. Why seniors need them? 1. Brain health. Studies show blueberries may help slow memory decline. 2. Heart support. They help keep blood vessels flexible. 3. Easy to chew. Soft, no peeling, no seeds. How to eat. Half a cup frozen or fresh per day. Throw them in oatmeal or yogurt. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, ask your doctor first. Berries have vitamin K. 1. Bananas. Bananas the grab-and-go fruit. Why seniors need them? 1. Potassium. Helps control blood pressure. Many blood pressure meds drain potassium. 2. Gentle on stomach. Soft texture, low acid. Good if you have reflux. 3. Energy. Natural sugar plus fiber equals no crash like candy. Watch out. If you have kidney problems, your doctor may limit high potassium foods. 1 small banana a day is safe for most people. Green ones have more fiber, yellow ones are easier to digest. Half of seniors don't get enough fiber. The next fruit has more fiber than apples, and it's cheaper. Coming up at number 4. But first, number 3. Tart cherries. Tart cherries, not the sweet ones. Look for Montmorency cherries or 100% tart cherry juice. Why seniors need them? Number 1. Sleep. They naturally contain melatonin. Small studies show better sleep quality. Number 2. Joints. Anti-inflammatory compounds may ease arthritis stiffness. Number 3. Muscle recovery. Helps if you walk or do light exercise. How to eat. 8 ounces of tart cherry juice 1 hour before bed, or a 1/4 cup dried tart cherries. Juice has sugar, so watch that if you're diabetic. Talk to your doctor. Number 4. Pears. Pears, the fiber champion. Why seniors need them? Number 1. Digestion. 1 medium pear equals about 6 grams of fiber. Helps with constipation, which is common after 60. Number 2. Hydration. 84% water. Good if you forget to drink water. Number 3. Soft. Ripe pears are easy to chew, even with dental issues. Tip: eat the skin. That's where half the fiber is. Wash it well. If chewing is hard, poach pears to make them softer. Number 5. Oranges. Classic vitamin C. Why seniors need them? Number 1. Immune system. Vitamin C helps your body fight colds. Number 2. Iron absorption. Drink orange juice with meals to help absorb iron from food. Number 3. Hydration plus fiber. Better than juice alone. Whole oranges have fiber, juice doesn't. Watch out. Grapefruit can interact with many meds. Oranges are usually safe, but ask your pharmacist if you take statins or blood pressure pills. If acid reflux is an issue, try low-acid oranges or eat after a meal. Prunes. Dried plums. Not exciting, but they work. Why seniors need them? Bone health. Studies show 5 to 6 prunes daily may help slow bone loss in women after menopause. Digestion. Natural sorbitol plus fiber equals gentle laxative effect. Portable. No fridge needed. Easy snack. Start slow. 2-3 prunes a day. Too many at once can cause gas. Drink water with them. Avocado. Yes, avocado is a fruit. Why seniors need them? Healthy fats. Monounsaturated fats support heart and brain. Joints. Helps your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, K from other foods. No sugar. Won't spike blood sugar. Good for diabetics. How to eat. Half an avocado on toast, or mash with lemon. They're calorie dense, so half equals 1 serving. If you take blood thinners, be consistent. Avocados have vitamin K. Most skipped fruit, kiwi fruit. Most seniors don't buy it, but they should. More vitamin C than oranges. Natural enzyme. Actinidin helps digest protein. Good if meat feels heavy. Sleep. 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed improved sleep in one study. Cut in half and scoop with a spoon. No peeling. Eat the skin if you want extra fiber, but wash it first. Recap. blueberries, bananas, tart, cherries, pears, oranges, prunes, avocado, kiwi. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Remember, I'm not a doctor. This is general info only. Fruit can affect blood sugar and medications. Talk to your healthcare provider before changing your diet, especially if you have diabetes, kidney issues, or take blood thinners. Subscribe for weekly senior health tips.